So मलाई लाग्छ छैन म लाइभ छु कि छैन आई डोन्ट नो I'm live I'm live so yeah that's it guys. Okay, so let's read some coding articles. I don't know, like I think I really need to share this thing here. Okay, so share this. चल झूठा है यारा मैं क्या करूं? Oh bro, please. So हामी के ऱ्यान्डमली नै कोडिङ आर्टिकल त्यतिकै सर्भ गर्छौँ नि त कोडिङ आर्टिकल त्यतिकै सर्भ गरौँ नि त आउँदैन नि त बट आई नो द प्लेस इज आई हेभ अ ब्रेक बाई द वे सो यु गाइज जस्ट निड टु चिल आउट कोडिङ आर्टिकल्स हामी सेट होइन हामी क्रोममेट टाइमर सेट गर्छौँ सेट द टाइमर set the timer for the maybe 15 minutes. I don't know. Yes, spelling was kind of wrong. Okay, so okay. Leave this is a code. So yeah, let's read some code over here. मैले आज पढेकै छैन so exploring a Linux with PewDiePie. Why you should consider switching? Okay, so I think I actually use JavaScript generated functions. So like a watch videos. So do we actually need to watch videos?
Generator functions have been introduced as
Function
part of
generated.
existing, but have you ever
Okay.
actually used them for
Okay.
coding?
Okay.
Do you
Okay.
know anybody using them? Even after so much time, they seem to still be a very niche thing. But there is one situation where I actually do use generators quite frequently.
It's
First,
like I actually don't have any idea about that. My generated function मलाई केही आइडिया छैन यसको बारेमा who knows कति भयो 2 weeks हुँदैछ and like I actually use JavaScript generated function JavaScript को generated function मा के छ राम्रो एनिमेस अरू लाइक फङ्सनको टाइपहरू छ बट I actually don't have any idea है त so let's see guys let's see हामीसँग 13 मिनट छ I don't know के छ तर हामीसँग 13 मिनट छ let's see so excuse me let's go so
let's
के
get the
छ
basics of generators down by first talking about iterators and
Irritants and
iterables
irritables.
like array and map.
Irritant and irritables and array map. Yeah, is that like a this is a JavaScript builded functions. So it is so it just go loop through
That have
from
a
the
built-in
objects
mechanism
irritations like
that
that. Like
defines how to
I didn't know
iterate
about it.
through
Hey,
a
oh,
value. We can actually make any object iterable by defining a next method on it that returns an object containing a value and a boolean indicating whether there are any more values.
value
That
five
might look like
downsolves. I
this.
don't know.
Every time we call next, we get the next value in the sequence, and we can define that behavior however we like.
It's like
To make it
I haven't got like what does that dot next means because over here it's a random irritator and what it does what like here's the object so in index we have a like -1 and next this dot index I mean so we have to increase that index okay and after that what we do is a return of value of what we actually don't have it so we return the value match the randomly and done this dot index is greater than 4 so const random irritator next and we have this but I actually don't get okay so the dot next is just like there's a function so this dot index but like when is the but is the value is actually working I don't get it man. I don't get it like come over here look actually we have a value right now.
cooler, we can use the symbol.iterator symbol to define this behavior, which will now allow us to use our own custom iterable with anything that accepts iterables, like a for of loop or the spread operator. The dx isn't great here though, and that's why we have generator functions like this.
Like which code editor is it using I don't think like it's a VS code maybe yeah it is not a VS code I think
Instead of defining a next function, we just yield a
maybe the
value.
hash
Then
code I don't
when
know
something
what is
like
it
the spread
or maybe it
operator
is
or
a
a
neo
for
vim
of loop is consuming
it
the
can be by the
iterator
way
this generator function creates, we'll take the first yielded value as its first.
So what over here, like it's a functions and random iterator we just have, and like, and while index is, yeah, so we just have to iterate as like a three times. So first time it just goes up and against and then, and after that yield math or random. I actually don't have any idea like what do you mean by yield, because the yield is not defined over here. So probably it's going to be something, some functions or methods, I actually don't know. So if it is, I just need to search. I just need to search what is the work of the yield. So like yield in the JS. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, it's a yield operator used to pause, resume the generated functions. So yield operator used to pause and resume. It is used to pause and resume generator functions. So like we just go over there and yield index. So I think like it is going to pause that things, by the way. So index, we have index, and index is probably going to be a zero. So zero is greater than 10, and yield index, pause and resume. But what we have done right here, so it is going to be give a like a number. So it is going to give a number, one. So one we give and one yield. So I don't know like what is it going to do. Is it going to pause or resume? So next dot value. Oh, so I think we need to call until we call it, it will just pause. So irritator dot next dot value. What is it, man? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. It's like, bro, irritator dot next star. Okay, so next is kind of एउटा फङ्सन नै होला हामीसँग. अब नेक्स्टको भ्यालु दे भनेको छ, बट हामीसँग भ्यालु केही छ र छैन नि त, एक्जिट आउटपुट. अब अर्कोचोटि बोलाएको छु, अर्कोचोटि दिएको छ. Like a full like value data, but I don't know. By the way, I think I really need to. I really need to try yield expressions. The value of field from generated from the irritated protocol. Government aside. You know, there is a keyword pause is generated function. So until we call, it will just pause that function. Yeah, like that's what it mean, by the way. Yield can be only used directly within the generated function that contains. It cannot be used in nested functions. Yield can only be used directly with the generated functions. It cannot be used with an nested function. Calling a generator function constant or generator object is time generated nest method is called the generated resume executions and runs until it reaches on the following. A yield expression in the case the generated pause and the next method start manipulated. For value on the value property is the value of expression yellow operator on is false, indicating that the generated function has not fully completed the end of the generated function. In this execution of the generated ends and the next method returns iterated results objects where the value is undefined and done is true. A return statement in this case execution of generated ends and the next method returns are iterated results objects where the value is specified return value and done is true. Now throw statement in this executions of the generated once paused on a yield expression, the generated code executes remain paused until the next generation is. So like next method is called again. It's an optional value is passed. Got it. I got it. I got it. So over here you can see what it does. It's just like holding a value, like fonts and for constant of cell. So we just hold a value at times, yield cell and yield cell. Okay. So until we just call like apple, like what is it like? Counts apple center. We just pass it to the and apple center dot next value and dot false. Okay, and that's it. Oh, next, you can also use sends a value with next in the generator. Next steps evaluates as a returns value of the yield expression. Although value passed to the generator next method first time next is ignored. So like next method is just maybe function or methods that is used to give a next value. Okay, that's it. Sorry guys, I have to go.